Today I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your ChatGPT account. For any reason, if you're trying to log out of the current ChatGPT account that you have logged in this video let me show you the exact way that you can log out. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's jump right into the video. Open up your web browser and then head over to the website of ChatGPT by searching for chat.openai.com. Once you open up your ChatGPT, tap on the three lines on the top left, and this menu will open up where you can see all of the conversations that you had with ChatGPT. Now to log out of your account, tap on the three dots on the bottom right, and this menu will open up where on the bottom you can see an option called Logout. You can just tap on this Logout option and you will be immediately logged out and taken to the login/sign in page. From here you can log into any other account that you have or create a new account. So that is the exact way that you can log out of ChatGPT. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily guide videos that we upload. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.